Today, we're watching a warehouse's journey from old-school paper to pure intelligence.
For so many warehouses, this is the reality, a fragile, unreliable paper trail. This old way of doing things, it creates massive bottlenecks that are just tough to fix.
In a huge warehouse like this, every single roll has to be accounted for, no exceptions.
All that searching and scanning, it just eats up time and leads to mistakes.
And you know, these little delays, they add up fast, really slowing things down.
Think about it. One bad label and your forklifts are just sitting there, totally idle.
And the cost of one mistake, it can ripple through the entire supply chain.
But what if you could just leap past the limits of paper and barcodes for good?
Well, the answer is a big leap into smart automation. It's called UHF RFID.
See, barcodes need line of sight. RFID? Nope, it can scan hundreds of items a second.
So what does this intelligence actually look like on the warehouse floor?
It all starts with something simple, giving every single roll its own digital identity. Now, one worker can walk an aisle and inventory the whole row in seconds.
The big benefit here, you get total, real-time visibility over your entire operation.
And all that visibility, well, it has a huge impact on the bottom line. Get this, we're talking an 80% drop in the time it takes to just find stuff. And those manual errors, they basically disappear, dropping to nearly zero. So you stop just reacting to problems and start actually controlling your inventory.
And this is what you get, a clean, organized, and super efficient warehouse.
This is what it looks like when you swap out all that chaos for total confidence.
It's time to upgrade from paper to intelligence with transformative UHF RFID technology.
And why does it all matter? Because it takes all the guesswork out of the equation.